welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some bath bombs, but not just any bath bombs. Today we're making bath bombs with my bath bomb kit. I launched 2 new products with Craft City. This is my sleepover collection. We got the DIY bath bomb kit and the make your own lip kit. Alright you guys, let's talk. Come here, boo. We need to have a conversation, okay? So if you guys didn't know by now, I launched my company Craft City last year, and I launched my first product in October, which was my DIY slime kit. I want to let you know that none of your comments go unseen. I'm taking all your comments, all your criticism into consideration for future projects. I'm working on so many new projects, and I'm so excited for you guys to see them. I gotta admit, when I first started my company, I was so scared, you guys. I was so new to it. I'm still new to it, and I'm still learning every single day. But I feel like at first, all I knew was homemade slime, and that's all I really knew. When it comes to launching a product in stores, it goes through so much, like everything has to be safety approved, and it's just so much harder than it looks. Like everything behind the scenes goes through a process. Although it hasn't been too long since I launched Craft City, I feel like I'm constantly learning things. I feel like I know a lot now compared to when I first started, and I'm just so excited for you guys to see the future projects that are coming. I feel like from what I've seen, a lot of people think that I collabed with Craft City, and Craft City is a brand that I collabed with. Craft City is my company, and I'm coming out with different products, not just slime. It's not gonna be all slime. We're coming out with different crafting kits. There is gonna be more slime, I'll tell you that. I'm so excited. I wish I could just get everything out at once, but I can't. But I did launch these 2 new kits, and you can get them at Target now exclusively. I decided to come out with my sleepover collection. You know, when you're having a sleepover with your friends, hanging out, make some bath bombs, make some lip kits. It just sounds like so much fun. I want to focus on the bath bombs for this video. For my lip kit, I am going to be doing a live on Instagram, so make sure to follow me. I will do it sometime this week, and I'll show you guys a demonstration on this. So follow your girl on Instagram. Also, if you guys ever have a cool product idea or any DIY kit that you would like to see come to life, let me know down below in the comment section. I could definitely make that happen. Alright, let's unbox this. So in this box, we have everything you need for the bath bombs. Instructions. We got a teddy bear mold. We have the original bath bomb molds. Tablespoon scoop. We have a spoon for mixing. We have some scents. Baking soda. Cornstarch, citric acid, sea salt, coloring tablets for color, and some pretty gems for your bath bombs. So the instructions say what you need from the kit. Everything you need is obviously in there already. You know, baking soda, cornstarch, sea salt, blah, blah. Everything is in the kit. The only things you need to get is vegetable oil. Honestly, it doesn't have to be vegetable oil. I've used baby oil before in bath bombs, so any type of oil. 2 mixing bowls and some water. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna combine all wet ingredients into this small bowl. In the wet ingredients, we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of water, a coloring tablet. Okay, and the most important thing that I almost forgot is the scent. I'm gonna scent it like jasmine. You're gonna need about 20 drops of this, depending on how strong you want it. And even by adding 20 drops, you still have a lot of scent left over. Mix that around a little bit, and then we're just gonna let that sit, get on to the next step, and start mixing in our dry ingredients in another bowl while this dissolves. In our next bowl, we're gonna start mixing in the dry ingredients. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1.5 tablespoons of sea salt, and 1.5 tablespoons of citric acid. Alright, now that that's mixed in, we're gonna go ahead and start pouring this in. Our wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. We're gonna pour slowly at a time and mix that together, because you don't want to pour all at once, because then everything's gonna sizzle up. Feel free to go in there with your hands and get all the little lumps out. Once you mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients really thoroughly, it should feel like wet sand. So it's gonna crumble like this, you see? And that's basically it for this part. Time to put it into our molds. Now, if you're gonna add gems or anything, this is the time to do it. I kind of just want to do pinks and purples because I feel like they would look really pretty. They would contrast pretty with the yellow. So I'm gonna do these. If you want them to be on the top, you could just place them right in. Or you could even do one by one if you want them in a certain spot and have it stay in that certain spot. And then start pressing in the powder. And you're gonna press down as you add the powder. Then we're just gonna squeeze together. Now that this is closed, we're just gonna let this sit overnight or a few hours, and then it's gonna get hard. And I also made 2 more bath bombs. I made a teddy bear one, and I also made like another one like marble-ish. What I personally like to do when I make bath bombs, it just depends on you. But sometimes it's best to take it out and just tap on this really lightly. You take it out of the bath bomb mold and then let this sit overnight instead of letting it sit inside, because when you let it sit inside the mold overnight, it could be a little bit harder to take it out. If you've made them before, you probably know what method you like best. And this is the one I showed you guys how to make, the one with the jewels in it. Now it's time to go put these in the bathtub. I just made 3 right now. I still have more product in here. I feel like this could easily make like 2 more. And we still got this left. You can make at least 6 bath bombs with this, if not like 8 to 10, honestly. The Sleepover collection is now available at Target, in stores, and online, exclusively at Target. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click that like button. Comment down below what kind of future products you guys would like to see me launch in the future. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I'm going to do a live stream on the lip kits. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!